Hi friends, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and I represent team Conceptual Orthopedics here. Conceptual Orthopedics goes with the tagline, the learning never ends. So what are we doing here? We are introducing a new course called as CORE to CORA. CORE is clinical skills, basics, understanding in depth what is required to do things properly as a surgeon. What is CORA? CORA is going to the next level, to the technology-driven world which is happening today, creating a balance of a learned or a learning surgeon to the upgrading technology every day. As I record this video, there will be something upgrading, and this video might be on a camera which may go outdated. What happened to orthopedics? It is rocked by the world, called as robotics. The robotic is something that you need to know. If you look at the classical stories of how Kodak, camera, which was everywhere in the world, did not evolve. It remained where it was and is being gradually replaced by different cameras of Sony, which kept evolving over time. If you look at this photograph where Amitabh Bachchan is singing a song, "Wo Mukaddar ka Sikandar Jane Man Kehlayega," Amitabh Bachchan kept on evolving. This bike and the scooter behind, they remained. So if you do not evolve with time, you will remain. So here comes the time in the era of orthopedics, where as a joint replacement learning postgraduate or a joint replacement surgeon, you need to abreast yourself to the robots. So what we thought of naming this course as CORA. C, conceptual, C, O. So conceptual orthopedics, R, robotic, A, orthoplastic course, C, O, R, A. So this is CORA. This is what you need to know. CORE to CORA is the tagline that we gave. Where will this course be held? It will be at our own place called as Vidya Jeevan at Greater Noida. What will it encompass of? It will encompass of 2 full days of learning. You will have classical teaching of how to understand the basics of anatomy for doing a knee replacement, how to understand and respect the soft tissues, how to make the proper cuts for a proper implant or prosthesis, and then subsequently understanding this knowledge, the basics to going into the computer navigation. And what next? Navigation to robots. Will there be a robot in the course? Obviously. So you mean to say there will be sawbones and you will get to do the procedures? Obviously. How many seats are there? The seats are 8080. Alright. Conceptual Orthopedic Premium subscribers will be given a top priority. For more details, log on to our website. So see you when? On 26th and 27th October at the Vidya Jeevan Center for CORE to CORA. Learn with the legends, with the robots. Let's take our knowledge a notch higher from where we all started. The tagline still stays the same. The learning never ends. Thank you very much.